Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Figma design systems for a scalable branding workflow, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching Figma and creating a new file for your design system. Set up a clear naming convention for your components and styles to ensure consistency. Create a separate page dedicated to your design tokens, which include colors, typography, and spacing. Define your color palette by adding primary, secondary, and neutral colors to the color styles. Create text styles for different headings, body text, and captions to maintain typographic consistency. Add a grid system that reflects your layout preferences, whether it's a 12-column grid or a simpler baseline grid. Design basic components like buttons, input fields, and cards to establish a foundational library. Utilize auto layout features for components to ensure they adapt to various content sizes. Organize your components on a dedicated page, ensuring they are easy to access and update. Implement variants for components that require multiple states, such as hover, active, or disabled. Create a page for icons and illustrations, using consistent styles and sizes. Establish a shared library to make your design system accessible to other files and team members. Regularly review and iterate on your design system based on user feedback and evolving needs. Document usage guidelines for components and styles to ensure clarity for all users. Communicate changes and updates to your team to foster a collaborative environment. Export your design system as a library, allowing for easy usage across different projects. Encourage regular updates and refinements to keep the design system relevant and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.